Welcome to Auto Experience, the place where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Whether you're a car enthusiast or someone just looking to stay up to date with the newest models, we've got you covered. Today, we're going to talk about the 2025 Tesla Model Y, one of the most anticipated vehicles of the year. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about this exciting electric SUV, from its performance specs to its innovative features. So sit back, relax, and let's take a closer look at the 2025 Tesla Model Y. The Tesla Model Y has quickly become one of the most popular electric vehicles on the market, and Tesla has not rested on its laurels for the 2025 version. The 2025 Model Y continues to push the boundaries of what electric cars can do, offering performance, range, and technology that are unmatched by many competitors. Tesla has made improvements in almost every area, including design, battery life, and interior technology, making this one of the most exciting vehicles for the coming year. Let's start with the performance specs. The 2025 Tesla Model Y comes in several configurations, including the long-range and performance models. Both versions feature Tesla's signature all-wheel drive system, offering exceptional handling and traction in various road conditions. The long-range model boasts an impressive range of over 330 miles on a single charge, while the performance version, designed for those who love speed, can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 3.5 seconds. That's incredible performance for an electric SUV, and it rivals many sports cars on the market today. With its instant torque and powerful electric motors, the Model Y is more than capable of giving you a thrilling driving experience while still maintaining its focus on efficiency and range. Speaking of efficiency, Tesla has been known for its superior battery technology, and the 2025 Model Y continues this tradition. The Model Y utilizes an advanced battery system that not only provides an impressive driving range but also charges quickly. Tesla's supercharger network has expanded significantly, making long-distance travel more convenient than ever. The 2025 Model Y can recharge at rates that allow you to quickly get back on the road without waiting for long periods. Plus, with Tesla's latest battery technology, the vehicle's overall lifespan and durability have been improved, ensuring you get the most value for your investment. One of the standout features of the 2025 Tesla Model Y is its interior. Tesla has made some notable upgrades, offering even more space and comfort for passengers. The cabin is modern and minimalist, with high-quality materials throughout. One of the most notable features is the massive touchscreen interface that controls almost every function of the car, from navigation to media and climate control. The screen is sleek and intuitive, making it easy to access everything you need while driving. Tesla has also made improvements to the infotainment system, offering even faster processing speeds and additional features that make it more responsive and user-friendly. The vehicle's interior also features ample storage space, including a large trunk and a second-row foldable seat option for added versatility. Another feature that makes the 2025 Model Y stand out is its autopilot and full self-driving (FSD) capabilities. Tesla's autopilot system has made significant strides over the years, and the 2025 Model Y comes equipped with even more advanced technology. While it's important to note that full self-driving is still a work in progress, the Model Y's current system can handle many driving tasks autonomously, including lane keeping, automatic braking, and adaptive cruise control. Tesla also continues to update and improve its software, meaning the Model Y will only get smarter over time, thanks to over-the-air software updates. Safety has always been a top priority for Tesla, and the 2025 Model Y is no exception. The vehicle comes equipped with an array of advanced safety features, including collision avoidance, side collision protection, and automatic emergency braking. Tesla has also improved the structural integrity of the Model Y, making it one of the safest vehicles on the road. The car's crash test ratings from organizations like the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, are expected to be top tier, further solidifying the Model Y's reputation for safety. Additionally, the 2025 Model Y features Tesla's advanced camera system and ultrasonic sensors, which enhance the car's awareness of its surroundings, ensuring safer driving in all conditions. In terms of exterior design, the 2025 Model Y retains the sleek, aerodynamic look that has become synonymous with Tesla. The car's lines are clean and modern, with a futuristic feel that matches its electric powertrain. The front features the signature Tesla grille-less design, and the rear has a subtle spoiler to improve aerodynamics. The vehicle comes in a variety of colors, allowing buyers to customize their Model Y to their liking. Tesla's attention to detail in design extends to the headlights, wheels, and overall proportions of the vehicle, ensuring it stands out in a crowd. The Model Y's compact SUV form makes it a great option for those looking for an electric vehicle that offers both practicality and style. The 2025 Tesla Model Y also comes with a range of convenience features that make it even more appealing to buyers. For example, the Model Y now includes a heat pump, which improves efficiency in colder climates. The vehicle also comes with improved cabin air filtration, ensuring that the interior remains fresh and clean. For those who love tech, the vehicle features a premium sound system, as well as advanced voice recognition, allowing you to control various functions with your voice. Tesla also continues to offer a variety of driver assistance features, making the driving experience safer and more enjoyable. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Tesla Model Y remains competitive, offering a range of options to suit different budgets. While it's not the cheapest electric SUV on the market, it offers a level of performance, range, and technology that few competitors can match. Tesla's commitment to making electric vehicles more accessible has resulted in lower starting prices for many of its models, and the Model Y is no exception. With several options to choose from, including the standard range and performance models, there's a Model Y for every type of driver. In conclusion, the 2025 Tesla Model Y is an impressive electric SUV that offers a perfect blend of performance, range, technology, and safety. Whether you're looking for a vehicle that can take you long distances, provide an exciting driving experience, or keep you connected with the latest tech, the Model Y delivers. Tesla continues to push the envelope when it comes to electric vehicle innovation, and the 2025 Model Y is a testament to their commitment to excellence. If you're in the market for an electric vehicle, the Model Y is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review of the 2025 Tesla Model Y and want to stay up to date with the latest car reviews, specs, and features, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any of our exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.